Hi, good morning. For na mag-breakfast sa amin. Wala kayo matulog kay nabalakasad ko sa akong anak dito sa grit-grit. Is ilantan mo siya. Sad. Niya ako nagbiyahe. Ay, ali picture na to say. So, maglugsong sa amin dito kay mama. Join us. Hi, going namin sa regional office. Ito namin. Kaya namin tricycle. Going to Pili Drive sa Testa Regional Office. Come and join us.
Uy, dito kasi bigas.
Namin karon diri sa Testa Regional Office. Hi! Say hi sa akong vlog. Vlog na ko kay ang channel wala na ko upload.
Kapit na naman sa akin 2,000 hours.
Gani.
Kit-kit to damak matak.
Bitaw sa buang mo ning kuan oy makatakot mo siya sa Medrista SM store. Malit. Shopping sa just bought bottle for drinking water. Ito na akong ipili kay mga nila yung color of their future dusk. Hi, tungod kay Chinese New Year. Wala kami ron sa SM City Store. Nangita mi sandal. Dili man aqua flask. Hi. Oy. Manamig pamalit. Nangita nami token for our secretary. Ganta. Secretary and our makita sa mig token kay Chinese New Year goat man ko for those with goat in their charts. 2025 may feel like challenging year, but it offers a valuable opportunity to build resilience and wisdom. Difficult energies highlight areas requiring extra attention, urging you to approach relationship, career, and personal well-being with care and determination. While obstacles may arise, they can serve as lessons to foster growth and strength. Financial and professional matters call for cautious planning to avoid unnecessary risks. Relationships may require patience and understanding to overcome potential misunderstandings or conflicts. Hala, kuha na ko sa ako ang personal o career side. Muna na yung algamon, nagwanuan na eh. Unexpected events such as travel disruptions or international shifts may test your adaptability. However, by staying grounded and focusing on what really matters, you can navigate these challenges effectively. This is a year to reflect, regroup, and cultivate inner strength. Embrace this moment as stepping stones toward a stronger foundation, and you'll emerge from 2025 more prepared for the opportunities ahead. Ang lantaw sa amin na rin, okay. Nara. Mama na yung gift ko ni Ruby, oh.
Saan sila?
Nasa baba, sir.
Oh, sige.
Madugay pa rin sila kayo.
Hi, sir. Hi. We're ready na for our camaraderie night. Ang stewardess, ang among kuan, professor, and our stakeholders forum. With our bed. Secretary. I have here the itinerary of our boss. Palak-palak ko eh. With our businessman, Sir James. Adto nami sa among kuan. Ay oh. We are here na at Hotel Oasis. Oo, ma'am, dito pa picture ka dito. So, mag-picture. Kay marag nindot direct kuha. Nami diri sa Silo. Ay, banha ba? May ticket mo Lakaw. Wow, kagwafa diri. Diri ata. Basig di asa.
It's hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words you can say.
Yung mga kauban, yung mga gwapa sa dinagat. Say hi to my vlog.
Sir Robert, naada kayo o. Among secretary o among boss. Hi.
NMSF, dancers. Ang isin cat, wala pa sila. Umaga na kayo. Hi sir, good evening. Ay, naka-video job ko. DGG, Mayor, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, i-vlog ra bata ka, ma'am? Nag-vlog. Hi, RD. Good evening. PD, good evening.
Good morning.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. Kami karon kay mag-parade ni
Last man ang Dinagat Island class niya.
kumusta ang atong chant, Ma'am Sai?
Hindi na ako mag-say. Welcome!
Tara na!
Picture
Sa
sa
dinagat.
Hi, vlog. Oh, low! Oh, low!
Uy! Happy tara ba kung 2,000 hours tara ba kung happy tag yun?
Atang lagi siya ko. Hello, mga kaulo. Barok na.
Barog!
Hi, vlog.
Barog na mo!
Angat! Angat! Barok!
Ayaw, kung ano mga barok-barok kay
Dili naman daw mag-chant.
Sige na, ito na.
Alright, moving forward. Hello.
Dr. Chu. Nana si Dr. Chu. Ah, mga sir. Ay, Tagagusan Real Foods.